Instead of a back road today, guys, I bring you Christmas lights. In the season, greetings, so to speak. Merry Christmas and enjoy the lights. Figure we start off with the Christmas tree. And I need to give a disclosure real quick here. You may hear foul language in my background. We're going to turn on around. Because as soon as we got in here, somebody was screaming at somebody and called them some pretty questionable names. So, wow, look at the deer. Now, I have filmed here many times before. So I told Angie it's kind of become like a tradition. Let's swing around. What the heck was that? Oh my word, that scared the crap out of me. Wow, look at that. They got little things on their antlers. Angie pointed that out to me. And right down here's the sign. Oh, it says please protect holiday display. Okay. I'm not going to touch it, I promise I'm not. And as you notice, I got Kitt with me. That's what that noise was, somebody's vehicle. Okay, Kitt, come on, bub, we can't do that. Now here in Lawrenceburg, that's where we're at. I should have said that. They have what they're called warming tents. Now, when we came down here first year, many years ago, they had them over on the other side, but they got them right here. That's really nice. I think Angie's gonna go inside. She is. Is it warm in there?
I mean, it's warmer than out here, but the heaters.
Oh, I see.
They got hanging heaters this year.
Oh, they used to have them on the floor.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna walk through here, and there's people sitting there, so we're gonna do our best, guys. We're gonna do our best. Oh, don't step on that, Kitt. Now, this is my favorite decoration they have every year. Now, I didn't get this last year, y'all. Last year, I think I was sick during Christmas. I can't remember. But we just kind of go on by, and Kitt's kind of pulled me from one side to the next. Oh, wow. This is really nice. See if I can get this shot just right. Oh, Kitt, don't. He just peed on Santa's sleigh. Don't do that, Kitt. You can't be peeing on that. Yeah, my dog just urinated all over this. But look around through there. Look at all the light up trees. Ain't that something else? We're gonna go get that right down there in just a minute. Okay, one more view from this angle. I was hoping to go through that with lights, but there was people over there sitting. And there's the back of Santa's sleigh. We're gonna get this design right here. Then we're gonna go over. Now I'm gonna try to get an ice rink. The only problem with that is they're kids. Now, I don't want to get kids in my video, but they have some fire over here. I'm wanting to get that. I'm gonna do my best to get that. But here we go. Kitt, you are pulling me like crazy. I wish you wouldn't do that, Bubby. Yeah. Ain't this nice? Oh, wow. Now, while I figure out how I want to film over there at the ice skating rink and how I want to get the fire, because there's people around the fire, I'm going to show you some footage of what I got last night. It didn't pan out that well, so that's why I'm putting it in this video. That's why I'm doing this video for Christmas. So I have to put some music with it. I apologize now, but I'll get you some light displays that we got from the car last night. And hopefully I see you over there at the ice rink. Now this is what I find cool. They just built this. I kind of pinned over to the ice skating rink. They just built this through the summer months. There used to be a real old building here, and this is what they did. Wow, look at this. Now I've been wanting to get this for a while. This is so warm right here. Angie, get right up there. It's nice and warm. But we're gonna walk on down that way and kind of glance over a little bit at the ice skating rink. I don't know, I might get children on there in an accident, but I think it'd be okay. Okay, I noticed when I got to the fire there was music, so folks, my apologies now. I had to put my own music to that so I wouldn't copyright strike. That's the first time I ever seen an ice skating rink, and it wasn't what I thought it would be, to be honest. We're gonna get a little bit more trees up here, then head to the car. I mean, I know I didn't get much of the ice skating rink because it was children on there, and I don't feel right filming where there's children. But yeah, let me show you where them heated tents used to be. Right here. Now it's just a vacant lot. If I remember correctly, Angie, on the side of this building, which they really done it up nice,
Yeah.
used to have a mural. Now these buildings through here, folks, was really crappy back in the early 90s.
I think there was another building here.
Yeah, there was another building here, but yeah, this whole area was really crappy back then. And Lawrenceburg did it up, man. I'm here to tell you. Okay, Kitt, we're gonna walk on some gravel. Yeah, Kitt didn't like that ice skating rink at all. It made him nervous. Figured we zigzag around these trees, and then I guess we call her quits. I thought I was gonna be able to have a lot more to show you all, but you can only do what you can do, and I forgot all about the Christmas music. There's where we were. And here's this from this angle. You got the cars. I do know since this restaurant right over yonder there, it's an old firehouse. They turned it into a restaurant, right? I know since they opened up, it's hard to find a place to park around here. But they did a lot of changes over the years here, and it was for the better. It really was. But yeah, the ice skating rink wasn't what I thought it was going to be. I mean, it literally looked like just a dusting of snow, and I thought for sure you'd be able to pick up some more speed on the ice, but it didn't seem to be going too fast. That's the first one I've ever seen. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the lights. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below, and I hope you have a safe and wonderful Christmas. And by the way, real quick, if you notice my beard got a trim, it did, but you're gonna notice in Friday's video, however, it's still bushy, because literally this is Sunday. You're seeing this tomorrow. That video I made that where my beard's still bushy, it was made about 4 days ago. So just in case you figured that out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Come on, let's get out of here, and good night.